Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Extensis HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Extensis HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in extensishr.com and make a search. The official page of Extensis HR's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page and tap on Login. Choose whether it's Manager or Employee Login and tap on it. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Extensis HR's account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgotten Your Password option. This is how you can log into your Extensis HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.